I asked God for flowers and he gave me rain. At first I felt confused and wondered why the journey felt so hard. Then I understood. God doesn't just give blessings, he prepares us for them. We ask for success and receive lessons in resilience. We ask for strength and are given weight to carry, not to break us, but to grow us. Because flowers can't bloom without rain, the storms, setbacks, and delays aren't blocking the blessing. They're building us for it. So now when life gives me rain, I trust it. God isn't withholding, he's preparing.